Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am with a special video. So let's see how to cut this gigantic jackfruit. We know the jackfruit is one of the favorite summer fruit. Basically, we have two types of the jackfruit. One is the fleshy variety, other one is the pulpy variety. So this is the fleshy variety. This jackfruit is fully ripened. You can see when you purchase like this, if you hear a dull sound, that means it is fully ripened. So this is a fully ripened, and even you can press and see whether it can ripen or not. This gigantic jackfruit, around 5 to 6 kilo weight. And actually one of my senior colleague gave me from his farm, and I'm alone at home. I don't know what to do with this big jackfruit. So anyway, let us see how to cut this one. Now, we all cut like this. We make a multiple longitudinal incisions, and we cut it and open. So let's see an urban way of cutting it. So how to do that? You can just keep it like this, and we always start with the stalk of the fruit. This is the stalk of the fruit. The things we need to cut the jackfruit. Now, obviously we need a knife. Longer ones are preferred. If you have a gloves, and it's very good. And we need a bowl, so we need a little bit of oil as well. So let's see how to cut this jackfruit. So let me show you urban way of cutting the jackfruit. So this is the stalk of the fruit. So you just make a deep incision around, you leave around 1 inch surrounding this jackfruit like this. You make a circular incision like this. So you have to make a circular incision like that. So let me start. So you make a vertical incision like this. You prick it inside and make a circular incision. So this is how we make a circular incision around the stalk of the jackfruit. So then you take your knife, hold it like this, away from you. As you can see, this is how make a incision. But around now, jackfruit is more of a spiral one. You keep making incisions. So like that you can keep on making. So now slowly let me open and see. You need to apply little bit of oil to your hand, because otherwise it will be very sticky. If you have a gloves, that's well and good, but still you need to apply some oil, otherwise everything will be very sticky. So once you do that, when you make a spiral incisions, you can see you can very easily you can remove this like that. Comes very beautifully. So you can see this, it has come very beautifully. You can remove all the fleshes, edible fleshes like that, and you can just separate it. So flesh. So this is edible flesh is surrounded by long filaments like things. You can see this one, these filaments. So the jackfruit we call in Malayalam as Chakka. In Kannada we call it as Halasina Hannu. You know, the glycemic index of the ripened jackfruit is around 75, and the unripened jackfruit is around 45. Let me taste. How is it? Awesome taste. Diabetic patient asked me whether we can have the jackfruit, and definitely you can have the jackfruit in a moderate amount. And the glycemic index of the jackfruit is around 75, and but it is very rich in fibers, minerals, and vitamins, and also it is very rich in antioxidants. So definitely you can have this in a moderate quantity, around 75 grams. So if you have 75 grams of jackfruit, it constitutes around 20 grams of carbohydrates. That means you can have 4 to 5 of this edible flesh. So too much of the jackfruit definitely is not advised. So there is another way of cutting. This is the common way. We all cut like this. Of course, we need a bit more energy. So better way is you can just make multiple slices like that. So you need little bit of your muscle power to make it like this, and you can just separate it. Oh my god. and also see this. So that is the way. So this is another way of taking. So you can just flex it like that. You can see all the edible fleshes comes out. This is also much easier. You can just pluck all the edible things. And you know, these seeds of this jackfruit can be used in variety of dishes. You can just boil in the pressure cooker, and you can make a very good the shake of this. So in our side we use this when we make a dal as well. So very interesting and very tasty as well. So let me cut another piece. So actually what I'm planning is, since I'm alone at home, so what I'm planning is to give this jackfruit to all my colleagues in the OT tomorrow. So let me see whether they'll like it. Yeah. Oh my god, I think it's a lot of hard work. I got this much and this much as well. I hope you like the video. Tomorrow let me give this to all my colleagues. We'll see how they enjoy it. I hope you like the video. See ya.